This will be the second time I work on the roof repair. This is 8 days later after I did the first section, and we can see what it looks like. The view of it there. You can kind of see here where the tars kind of went over the nails with the washers on them. And it's cracking, of course. This is common. And then basically what I'm going to do is just start adding more of the interply or the ply with tar to build it up. You can kind of see here is the edge of one of the pieces. You can always go back to the other video to check it out, but another view of what's going on. We can see here where there's a gap in the metal, and the next layer of tar, of course, will just kind of ooze in there. We're going to be filling it up and building up the roof. Remember, this roofing is called built-up roofing. Built up, and then they do it in layers with the ply. And of course, some of the dirt here, I was kind of scraping it off. I ended up power washing this. I got a hose up there, and then I got a power washer and kind of cleaned all of this up before I put some tar, because I did this, and I think I did this area like the area you see that's exposed here, and put some fresh tar in, because I was worried about the initial roof leak that I would have been guessing would have been in this area. View of the brush. Getting ready to put the tar down. I already got the ply cut there. Just going to kind of go through this. This doesn't need a lot of narration. I've already done that in the previous one. Just putting it down. See here, putting the tar down around it. And then, of course, getting this ready for my next piece here. And just building it up. I mean, think about this is this is actually a built-up lip, because remember it went around the skylight. So I've got a large area that I've got to fill in here to kind of get it to blend in to where it kind of looks flat. Just kind of layering it up there. So we got some tar spread out there. Puts another piece on. Another piece. Just kind of keep going, building your way up. And by this time, I would imagine this is probably waterproof. You know, you could tell with that gap that was over here with the metal. That might have been a problem. But if it had enough tar in it already to prevent water from going in there, that wouldn't have been a problem. So we can see here that just kind of layering it up, adding more of the ply, and using our brush again to spread everything around. And I'm guessing this right here probably took me about another hour and a half, maybe 2 hours to do. And that might be a little over, maybe an hour, you know. Cut little strips in for here and kind of layered them over each other. You know, could you have just filled this area with tar? Probably, you know. This just kind of like is a filler after a while. Tarred in again. And this might be it. So this is it for this day here. So I'm done. I'm going to let this dry another week, I would imagine, and then come back and do a little more work and start putting the gravel in.